Welcome to my channel, where today we dive into the world of one of the most iconic performance machines of our time, the Mercedes-Benz AMG GT. This masterpiece from Mercedes-Benz is not just a car. It is a statement of passion, innovation, and unrelenting performance that perfectly blends luxury with raw driving power. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the AMG GT leaves no room for doubt that it belongs in the league of world-class sports cars. Its bold design, muscular stance, and aerodynamic proportions make it an unmistakable presence on the road. A true embodiment of German engineering excellence and motorsport heritage. Asterisk, the exterior design of the AMG GT is a flawless balance between elegance and aggression. With its long hood, wide front grille featuring the signature Panamericana design, and sleek LED headlights, the car carries a powerful presence that exudes both style and dominance. Its sculpted body lines flow seamlessly across the chassis, leading to the wide rear fenders and a sporty rear diffuser that enhances performance while giving it a striking visual edge. Every curve and contour of the AMG GT has been shaped not just for aesthetics, but for optimal aerodynamics, ensuring stability and precision even at high speeds. Available in a variety of bold colors, the AMG GT makes a statement no matter where it goes. Whether cruising through the city streets or tearing down the racetrack. Step inside the cabin, and the luxury that Mercedes-Benz is known for comes to life in harmony with motorsport-inspired details. The cockpit is designed with the driver at the center, featuring premium materials such as Nappa leather, carbon fiber, and aluminum trims. The seating is crafted for both comfort and support, ensuring that long drives remain relaxing while spirited. Driving feels secure and engaging. The widescreen digital cockpit offers customizable displays, allowing drivers to monitor performance metrics with ease, while the AMG-specific steering wheel with tactile controls provides a direct connection between driver and machine. Ambient lighting and advanced infotainment systems further enhance the interior experience, ensuring that the AMG GT offers more than just performance. It offers an atmosphere of pure luxury and sophistication. Under the hood lies the true heart of the AMG GT, the handcrafted AMG 4.0-liter V8 biturbo engine. This powerhouse is a marvel of engineering, delivering immense horsepower and torque that translates into breathtaking acceleration and thrilling top speeds. Paired with a lightning-fast dual-clutch transmission, the AMG GT offers seamless gear shifts that enhance both performance and efficiency. Depending on the model variant, the AMG GT can achieve exhilarating performance figures, rivaling some of the best supercars in the world. The sound of the engine alone is enough to excite any enthusiast, with its deep, throaty roar echoing the spirit of motorsport. Driving dynamics are at the core of the AMG GT experience. With a lightweight structure, finely tuned suspension, and advanced performance systems, the car offers razor-sharp handling and incredible responsiveness. Technologies such as AMG Ride Control, active aerodynamics, and electronic stability programs work together to deliver a driving experience that feels precise, controlled, and thrilling. Whether on a racetrack, winding mountain road, or open highway, the AMG GT adapts effortlessly to its environment, making every drive an unforgettable experience. Beyond its raw performance, the AMG GT also embodies Mercedes-Benz's commitment to innovation and safety. Equipped with the latest driver assistance features, it ensures that performance is always matched with protection. From adaptive cruise control to advanced collision prevention systems, the AMG GT keeps its driver safe without compromising the thrill of the drive. It represents the perfect fusion of technology, comfort, and power. The Mercedes-Benz AMG GT is more than a car. It is a dream realized for those who seek both luxury and adrenaline. It carries forward the proud tradition of AMG, combining craftsmanship and innovation in a way that only Mercedes-Benz can achieve. For enthusiasts, it is not just about reaching a destination, but about the journey itself, the roar of the engine, the precision of the handling, and the feeling of being connected to the road like never before. The AMG GT is a true icon of modern performance, a car that redefines what it means to drive.